Okay, you have now watched the first two videos and you got familiar with like the camera and the application. So now let's go to the second one, to the effect of vascularity on skin temperature recovery. So before we do this, I want you will be measuring the temperature recovery of the biceps and of a finger. And I want you to ask yourself, what temperature do you think will recover faster after being exploited to ice? Do you think the biceps will gain its temperature faster, so therefore warm up faster, or do you think the finger will warm up faster? So, like I said, in class, you would be doing that in a group together, and I wouldn't have to do it like this, but these are simple circumstances. So let's get started. So how you would have started it, you could you can have like a little bit of an expensive tool and measurements and stuff like that, but we don't have that. So what we would have done is we would have basically used a phone for your stopwatch. You would have your iPad with like the thermal camera, and you would simply have a piece of ice. In my case, this is what I found in my freezer. So you would pick one person to be a subject, and you would at first you need to cover, or you need to measure the baseline temperature of the biceps. And to do so, and to also try to be as precise as possible, you would be marking the spot with a pencil or pen. You would be marking it somewhere. Let's say you would mark it here. That's just like, so you can then, once you have then taken the picture, you can always then pick the right spot. So you would be then, once you have that set up, you would be then using your iPad with the camera on, and you would just take a picture of it, and you would take a picture like this, like your classmate or your group partner would take the picture with the camera. A third group partner would start the time, and you would take 0 seconds, and then every 10 seconds up to 30 seconds. So in total, 4 pictures you would have for your baseline temperature, and that it should stay the same, but it's just so we can kind of like take an average in case it does change. So that is for that one.